Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm Kushi and I'm here also. And it is my third video. I want to record myself because I want to improve my English and enhance my English conversational, or you can say speaking skill, because I know how to write, I know how to read, and I know how to listen. I understand everything, but I am not able to speak in English. But you know that I have been learning this language for last 3 months, and I will not give up because this is I come so long. I came so long, so I will not give up right now. So I want to tell you one more thing, that if you are into this language, if you want to speak in English, I think you should also try it. And you can do that. If I can do, you can do. If you don't know reading, how to read, how to listen, or how to speak, or how to write, so I think you should listen only. Listen only small sentences, may speak only small sentences. You can speak with anybody. If you have no ambience, if you have no companion to chat with, you can speak yourself. In small sentences, you can stand in front of camera or in front of mirror and you can speak. At least you can start one word, one sentence. It's up to you, what do you want to achieve. I know that every skill needs time, a consistency. The every skill need consistency. If you are want something, if you want some new something, or if you want something, so you should at least go forward it, right? You have to work on it. Similarly, I am also doing, and I think I will do it, because initially I was thinking that it is very hard. you know Everything looks hard whenever we start, but when we go into this gradually, we feel convenient in any skill, correct? So I think you should start at least, and speak, because I have learned that speaking comes by speaking. You cannot speak without speaking. So I think you should speak two or three sentences or two or three words, very similar word, was, were, in, out, he, she, and you will get everything by, but not on the spot, but gradually you can achieve. I'm also stucking, fumbling. Everybody who are great in the at this time, but initially when they started this journey, they were also like us. That Hindi is our native language, but English is not our native language. So I know that we have to face. I'm having also difficulties to learn it, but gradually I am feeling some confident. I am feeling that I can speak in front of person, uh, and I am facing also camera right now. And you know that initially we feel that how can we do, and we have a lot of fear. So we should mitigate our fear. We should face the fear. We should encounter all things. You know, if we will not do, nobody can help us. This is our intentionally work. Deliberately we have to do this work. So I think this is the time when you can immerse yourself into it, and I'm sure you can do this. If I can do, you can definitely do this. And hope you will be with me. And if you need little bit, because I'm not training, I'm not any teacher of this skill, but if you want some little bit help, any help you want by me, I am ready to give you help, right? So I think um, I don't have so much to speak, but I am speaking because I want